Good morning. So today is one of my favorite days. It is Friday today. So if today is Friday, then we know that yesterday was Thursday, and we know that tomorrow is Saturday, one of the days of the weekend. All right, so today's date, so after 24 comes the number 25. So today is Friday, September 25th. All right, now let's see our days in school. So yesterday was our 13th day in school. So what comes after 13 but 14? So today is our 14th day of school. When we make this number 14 using our base 10 blocks, we are going to get 110. And how many ones do you think we're going to get? 4. So I need 4 Q's to represent the number 14. All right, girls. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. And I will see you next week. If you need help with anything today, just let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.